Hey everyone, this is a video to show you how to create a list of students in the admin view of PowerSchool that contains an ASN number. So first of all, I'm going to find my list. So I'm going to go to teacher schedules and I'm going to look for my class, my logistics class. So I'm going to click on my name. And once I find my class that I want, it's this one, I'm going to click on the number of students. And then I'm going to go and scroll down and then click on this button, make current student selection. Once I do that, it actually, PowerSchool will select that group of students. You can see it says here current student selection 29, which is that class list. I'm going to go up to this icon at the top and click on it. Brings me back to the start page, and you can see my students are selected here. Once you've got there, you click on this list students. If you don't see list students there, you click on the arrow and then you can scroll down in this list here and just check off list students. Okay, once you do that, it'll bring up this little menu of all the different things you want to include in this class list. So I have first name, last name, grade level. This is their email, their student number, their ASN number is called the state student number. So this is a field that is available or is found in PowerSchool. It's often hard to find the names of these. If you go to someone that works in the office who works with this tool all the time, they will be able to tell you what the field name is for the particular column that you want to create. Okay, so you can see on the right-hand side, I've named these columns. So when I list them, you'll see the labels at the top. The way I found these is you click on fields like this, and then I typed in, I knew it was called state. So I type in state and it filters down through the names, and then you can see it there. It's field number 401 state student number. So that's that ASN number. As you can see, there's lots of fields there in PowerSchool. So once you've got this, you can name this up here. I don't usually worried about this title because I do other things with it afterwards. So once you click submit, it will list the students that you have selected. So in this case, it's the students in my class. You can see everything that's there. In most cases, you probably wouldn't use the student number. I just did for the argument's sake for argument's sake. And what I'm going to do, I can either from here, I can either click print, top right, and then queue it to the printers at school. Or you can click at the top like this, and then I'm holding down shift and then clicking down at the bottom right-hand corner, and I've selected all of those. I'm going to then copy. I'm going to open up a blank Excel sheet. I'm going to drag that over from my other window. And what this allows you to do is I'm going to click on that first cell. I'm going to paste it. You can see all of that data has now been put into this Excel sheet. If I select all columns, and then I'm going to double click, I'm going to go into, what am I going to do here? I'm going to take off wrap text. And then I'm going to click on the line in between two columns, and you can see columns, and you can see that it expands the columns out wider. So for here, I can now go and edit this. So I actually don't need this column. I'm going to delete it. I might put in a time in, and then I might put a signature column, and then I might want to put borders around these so that when I print it, it looks nice like a form. There you go. And then I might want to make these a bit wider just so that there's enough room for students. And I'm going to also select all the lines where the student names are. I'm going to alter the width. Let's say 26. You can see it makes it a bit wider there. I'm also going to get a little bit fussy and adjust where the text is in each of those columns. And now when I print that, it'll be nice and tidy with the student list of my class, student ID numbers, ASN numbers, time in, and the signature field. Okay, and there's your sign-in sheet. Okay, hopefully that helps. And if not, if it doesn't work for you, ask me and I can help you figure it out. Cheers.